Welcome to the CFD weekly overview of the global financial markets. The euro was little changed last week. The EU summit adopted the 2020 budget and post-COVID recovery plan. The ECB embarked on a €500 billion bond buying programme, which will remain in force until at least March 2021. Talks between Democrats and Republicans over the fiscal stimulus bill were very constructive and pushed the two sides close to agreement, exerting pressure on the US dollar. The British pound was in free fall, but bounced back after the weekend as the EU and UK extended their talks after another self-imposed soft deadline passed. The debate continued on Monday, with differences still substantial between the two sides, although diplomats appeared to be more optimistic about progress than in previous days. The Japanese yen strengthened against a softer dollar, with the area below 104 remaining hard to reach. US stock indices were little changed. Investor sentiment swung from risk-off to risk-on mode. Indices close to all-time highs and newly imposed distancing measures weighed on sentiment, whilst inoculation and new vaccine approvals for emergency use provided support to stock prices. Gold prices were very choppy ahead of the US Federal Reserve meeting this week. Post-COVID optimism pulled gold prices down, while a fiscal stimulus bill in the US, ready to be adopted soon in some form, pushed the yellow metal higher. Crude oil prices continued to build gains on the back of vaccine optimism, a rise in economic activity in China, and a decline in the US dollar. However, new lockdown measures in the Netherlands, Germany, UK, and Turkey and elsewhere pared gains on the prospect of reduced future demand, as OPEC confirmed that projected oil demand will rise more slowly than expected in 2021. You've been watching the CFD Weekly overview of the global financial markets.